Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is Jenny from LaShenny21Nails. Today I'm going to be sharing this beautiful stamping plate that was sent to me from Born Pretty store for review. It's plate Born Pretty Flower Yarn S002 and it's a layering plate. On the back it has a label with the Born Pretty store website and it comes in this really pretty envelope. Let's remove the protective film. Here's a closer look at the images. I did want to mention that these 3 full nail images are not as long as the other ones that come in the rectangular stamping plates. And since my nails are so long, I don't think they're going to cover them completely. As a base, I have applied these 2 beautiful polishes, Maybelline Color Show called Denim Dash, and this Born Pretty called Pumpkin Spice. I definitely have to work on the placement, but it looks so pretty. I'm just having a hard time aligning them because I'm trying to look at it through the camera and it's very difficult. I did these 2 off camera and I think they turned out a little bit better, but I do definitely need to practice a little bit more. To seal in the design, I'll use my Born Pretty No Smudge top coat. Not perfect, but you can definitely make it work. And this is how it turned out. I think it looks really pretty and I love the plate. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous plate. That's it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye! And if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to my channel, I invite you to do so by clicking the subscribe button.